Hey friends, today we are going to be working with vowel diphthongs. So we are going to be decoding multi-syllabic words with the letter combinations OU, OW, OI, and OY. The sound ow can be spelled two ways. It can be spelled OU, and it can also be spelled OW. Words with this sound and spelling include mouse, out, and round. Words that have the OW spelling but have the ow sound are owl, how, and flower. We also have two sets of words that have the oi sound. The letters OI and OY are spelled differently, but they make the same sound oi. For example, for the OI spelling, we have words such as oil, noise, and point. For OY, we have boy, joy, and employ. Now that we have taken a look at a couple different pairs of words, what I would like you to do is to specifically work on words that have the oi and the ow sound. You are going to see 8 different words up here. These words are plow, grouch, foil, toy, sour, coin, tower, and voyage. What I would like you to do with your learning guide is to see if you can place these words in either the oi column or the ow column. Words that make the oi sound are going to go here, and words that make the ow sound are going to go here. So oi and ow. Pause this video. Sort these words into the different columns that they go into, and then we're going to check our work when you come on back. All right, friends, how did you do? We have our 8 words: plow, grouch, foil, toy, sour, coin, tower, and voyage. I hear the sounds ow and oi in all of those words. So let's see how you did. Underneath the ow sound column, you should have the words foil, toy, coin, and voyage. Do you hear how all of those words have the sound oi? Great job. Now, under the ow sound, you should have the words plow, grouch, sour, and tower. They all have that ow sound in them. Great job today, friends. Now you're going to go on and you are going to complete page 67 in your Reader's and Writer's Journal with your learning guides. You may review parts of this video if you need any help, and good luck today in your coursework.